Hello, my wonderful viewer. Nice to have you here. We have a job at hand. We have a generator panel board to wire. This is the empty panel board, as you can see here. Everything has been dismantled. Almost everything is dismantled. So we are going to get this fixed. This video will make you an expert in generator electricals. You will get familiar with all the components, the whole interconnection, and most especially these numerous wires, where they are coming from and their functions. Now let's quickly take a look at some of the components we're going to work with. This is an AC socket. That's the output point, AC output point, 220 volts. This is a portable voltmeter. This is a circuit breaker for protection and safety purpose. Now we have some bolts and nuts. We're going to be working with them. This is a host, a plastic host to hold our numerous wires. Then this is the cover of our panel board. It's the rubber cover of our panel board. So this is our panel itself. This is the panel board itself. It is a Sumac Fairman generator 3000. It's about 2.5 kVA rated. So we're going to be wiring this panel and connecting these components the way it should be. Let's start from the voltmeter.
Visit JLCMC.com for top quality engineering products at affordable prices, with fast and reliable shipping. Just type the product you need into the search bar, and you'll get a wide selection of durable, high-performance components tailored to your needs. JLCMC specializes in premium mechanical parts, perfect for a variety of projects and applications. Need something specific? Their components are fully customizable to meet your exact requirements. Explore their wide range of products today. JLCMC.com, your go-to destination for engineering excellence. Plus, new users get a $70 coupon upon registration, and signing up is quick and seamless.
Before we commence with the wiring, let's take a look at these wires. Okay, let's find out where they are coming from and their functions. First of all, we are expecting 5 wires to come out from here. 2 of these wires are AC wires, 2 are DC, and 1 is earth. Okay, so let's start from the earth. Whatever you see green and yellow is always our earth cable. There is nothing special about this earth cable. It's just fastened to any part of this generator, anywhere at all. You just fasten it to somewhere on the chassis. All right, that's the earth, nothing special. All right, then we have these 2. These are our AC cables. These are our AC wires. Now let me show you where they are coming from. This is our coil. Okay, so if you look at this place, these 2 terminals, you can see those wires. This blue and brown, they are our AC. They are coming from the coil. All right, the AC output 220 volts coming from our coil. So that's this. That's for these 2. Now we have a black cable. This black cable is the negative terminal of our DC output. This is the negative DC. It is coming from the negative terminal of our rectifier. That's the negative terminal here. So if you look at this diode very well, you will see a positive sign here. If you look here, you can see a positive sign. So the terminal directly opposite to this positive terminal is this black cable. All right, so it's the output negative terminal of our rectifier. So that is this black cable you are seeing here. Okay, while this positive terminal here is this red cable. Okay, so this red cable comes here. So these 2, this and this are our charger. All right, these two are our DC output. Okay, DC output coming from the diode. These 2 are our DC coming from the diode.